I have a white base on my nails and I want to play around with these. I'm going to try to sponge them on my nail and then hopefully stamp over an image. I don't know how it's going to come out, but if you want to know the name of these, let's go ahead and get this started. So this one is called Fiesta, and then this one's called Tidal Rave, and this one's called Beach Ball, and then this one is called Kappa Banana, I think. The letters are so small and it's getting in the way. And then this last one is called Samba. So let's go ahead and get it started. I've got some just sponges here. I'm gonna try to apply that polish to the sponge because there's so much of the clear polish. I gotta try to get these circles onto the nails. So let's go ahead and do that.
Wasted, my heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing, keep your words naked. You got me blushing, and you forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. Forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality, I can see you and me.
I think my favorite is going to be the pinky, only because the lines are thinner and these are just a little too much. I feel like there's a little too much going on. I would have been better off just with that image. But anyway, that's the final design. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and take care. God bless. Bye.